Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by powering down the PC and unplugging the wall outlet completely. Wear an anti-static wrist strap and ground to the case to avoid ESD damage. Remove the case side panel and clear a 3.5-inch workspace for the GPU to rest. Gather a Phillips #2 screwdriver and a small parts tray for screws. Photograph the GPU area to document connections and screws for easier reassembly. First, disconnect any 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the GPU and set them aside. Unscrew the 2 bracket screws securing the card to the case using the Phillips #2 screwdriver. Locate and depress the plastic PCIe slot latch at the board end to release the card. Grasp the GPU by its metal bracket and the PCB edges only. Pull the card straight out of the slot with steady, even force to avoid bending the connector pins. After removing the GPU, place it in an anti-static bag and lay it flat on a stable surface. Inspect the PCIe slot for dust or debris and use short bursts of compressed air from 6 to 8 inches away. Check the card edge and cooler for bent fins or damage and photograph any issues for records. Replace the empty case slot cover to maintain airflow. When reinstalling, reconnect 6-pin or 8-pin cables and update drivers before normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.